Here's a video of baby Keira sleeping in her new car seat. She's truly her father's daughter. It's the Graco pink car seat, secure straps, bunny toy, cute shoes bought by Grandma Jean, water cup in case she gets thirsty, and the sweet sounds of a snoring baby. Isn't she adorable? "10 years from now, when she grows older, we will show this video clip to her prospective boyfriends to scare them off." Keira would say bye-bye at this point, but she's too busy snoring. So this is Mama signing off. On behalf of a cute little baby Keira. Bye-bye, Keira fans.